Next section, perception, its application in nursing. Perceptual test. Nurses have been conduct perceptual test including eye test, test of taste, test of olfaction or smelling, tactile test, etc. Nursing assessment. So every psychological perceptual test is used as a nursing assessment. For example, if a patient comes in the hospital, nurses assess the physiological examinations to better nursing diagnosis by means of testing eye, nose, tongue, etc. Then care. So this test helps us better knowledge regarding client. So for client oriented care, perceptual test is fundamental for nursing. Then cure. The perception used to formulate treatment plan and provide reasonable treatment to every client. Prevention. To prevent the diseases including communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases. The study of perception is very important in nursing. To promotion of holistic health including physical health, mental health and social well-being, study of perception is very important in nursing. Then psychiatry nursing or mental health nursing, study of perception and abnormalities in perception is essential. The perceptual abnormalities cause various mental illness including schizophrenia, depression, stress, personality disorders, etc. Hence, study of perception is very important in mental health nursing. The nursing education. Nurse as an educator, the study of perception is very important for student oriented guidance. Nurse as an educator should be analyze perceptions of the student nurses. According to that, we need to give guidance. Nursing management. Nurse as a manager need to learn perception. Perception have to change individual behavior, have to determine organizational behavior. So study of perception is very important in nursing management, including disease management and organizational management. Study of perception is essential in clinical nursing to measure the perception of the client, to assess the perception of the client by the nurses, to nursing diagnosis, for nursing care, provide treatment, color therapy, psychotherapy, promote communication, strengthen relationship, and healthcare team building, etc. The knowledge of perception should be applied in nursing education to measure student perception, to develop positive perception, ensure communication, promote good learning, strengthening learning skills, used to problem solving in learning, help to explore student potential, building inclusive relationship between student and faculties and among the students. Nursing administration. In nursing administration, perception knowledge is fundamental. To know the subordinate nurse's perception, to measure professional perceptions, to create free flow communication by means of positive perception, develop job satisfaction, conflict management, stress management among nursing professionals, used to recruit staff nurses. The knowledge of perception is very important. The nursing managerial implications, mainly understanding behavior of the client as well as subordinates, then interpersonal relationship, performance appraisal, promote communication skills. The knowledge of perception applied to nursing specialties. First, maternal health nursing. Nurse should be assess perception of the mothers for mother-oriented care. Child health nursing, for child-oriented care, the perception is essential. In medical surgical nursing, the color perception as well as the perceptual organizations essential to therapeutic effect as well as better care and treatment. Then mental health nursing. Example, color therapy is a psychotherapy to treat various mental illness. Then community health nursing, study of perception is essential to measure perception of communities, each community having different perception. For example, urban perception is different from rural perception. In conclusion, hence, perception means manner of experiencing the world. Perception directly linked with health status of people. If a person having positive perception experiencing good health, measurement of perception used to promote health. It is psychological medicine to treat illness. So, study of perception help to effectively execution of nursing services. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.